Meaning of double cream.
Double cream.
Double cream.
Double cream.
Double cream. Double cream is a type of heavy cream that has a high fat content of around 48%. It has a thick, velvety consistency and a rich, creamy taste that is perfect for adding to desserts or using in cooking. When whipped, it creates stiff peaks that hold their shape well and can be used to top cakes, pies, and other desserts. Using double cream instead of regular cream in recipes will result in a richer, more indulgent flavor and texture. Overall, double cream is a luxurious ingredient that adds a decadent touch to any dish it's used in.